Placing sealants on children can be extremely stressful, especially when you have a tongue that loves to touch and explore everything. I found great success in the Pulpdent Embrace sealant because it's hydrophilic. Once you place a sealant, it lasts long term and it helps me protect my pediatric patients. Placing sealants on children can be extremely challenging. When I was working in pediatrics, I was grateful to find an office that was using Embrace sealant. This is what I personally use for all sealants in my practice, and I want to share it with you today. The reason why it is different is because it releases fluoride as well as it is hydrophilic, which means it works with the water in your mouth. So, of course, your tooth can't be saturated in saliva, but if a little saliva happens to get on the sealant, it can still adhere to the tooth.
Pulpdent's Embrace varnish is a time-released 5% sodium fluoride varnish that incorporates CXP technology, which is xylitol-coated calcium and phosphate. So the xylitol coating prevents the calcium and phosphate salts from reacting until they come in contact with the saliva. The saliva dissolves the xylitol and releases the calcium and phosphate ions, which react with fluoride ions in the saliva. Adding these ingredients to a fluoride treatment can help enhance the beneficial effects for the patient.